Hi everybody, my name is Isabel C. I live in Boca Raton, Florida, and I wanted to talk to you today about Kindle Money Mastery Program that Stefan has created. Stefan has been coaching me for the past few months, and I have been in the Kindle Direct publishing, creating passive income online for about 3-4 months now. I'm so excited about this program that he has come out with now because it really shows you step by step in a video format as well as these easy to follow PDF formats, PDF files on how to create passive income online. This is so exciting for me because I'm a therapist, I'm a life coach, I have all these sources of creating active income. However, I'm a single mother of 2. And being able to create income passively has been a godsend. I am able to play with my children and go out and be a full-time mom while creating income online. And it is just such an amazing feeling to go out, have fun, do your thing, and then come back, check your sales, and see that you are making money while living life. I highly, highly recommend this program. It will really show you exactly what you need to do to get to this point of creating income online passively. So you do the work and you get committed, and then suddenly it just starts taking off and you're able to live a better life without having that stress of working actively. I highly recommend the program. Stefan is a wonderful coach as well, and that's it. I guess I just really wanted to share the excitement of this program. Hope you enjoy. Thank you.